Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. This is the final video in our series on Linux systems, and in this video we're going to look at how to troubleshoot and fix common Linux problems. Let's go ahead and get started. Understanding how to troubleshoot common Linux problems is crucial for all users. This includes handling boot failures and network issues. Effective troubleshooting saves time and reduces frustration. This guide covers common Linux problems, troubleshooting techniques, and solutions to ensure your system runs smoothly. To check and repair your file system, use a live USB. If your system doesn't boot, access the grub menu by pressing escape or shift during the startup. To repair grub, boot from a live USB and run the necessary commands. First, check network interfaces to ensure they're configured correctly. Next, restart network services to refresh settings. Test connectivity using the ping command. And finally, check firewall rules to ensure they're not blocking traffic. To clean up your disk, first check disk usage to see how much space is used. Then find large files that are taking up space. Finally, remove unnecessary files and clear package caches. To manage package lists and repositories, first update the package list. Next, fix any broken packages. Finally, verify and correct repository configurations in the appropriate files. First, check file permissions to ensure access. Next, change permissions to control file access. Finally, change ownership to transfer file control. To troubleshoot an application, first check the logs in /var/log or use journalctl. If needed, reinstall the application. Finally, run the application in debug mode to identify any errors. System issues can arise from various causes. Boot issues may be due to misconfigured grub or corrupt file systems. Network issues often stem from incorrect configurations or driver problems. Running out of disk space can cause instability. Package installation errors are usually due to broken repositories. Permission issues occur when users lack necessary rights and applications may crash due to missing dependencies. To troubleshoot Linux systems, use logs and the dmesg command. Search online communities for solutions, document changes, test incrementally, and back up regularly to prevent data loss. In summary, to troubleshoot Linux problems, use a structured approach. Identify common issues, utilize system logs, leverage online resources, and perform incremental testing. With practice and patience, you can maintain a stable Linux system. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you a good high-level overview of some techniques you can use for troubleshooting your Linux system. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more about videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.